Good morning, student. Today we will discuss chapter 3rd, Understanding Quadrilaters. I hope you know what is open curve, closed curve, as you have done in earlier classes. Now come to the main definition. Simple closed curve. A closed curve which does not cross itself is called a simple closed curve. Now these are the example of simple closed curve. This is circle, this is triangle. Now it has three types. Simple closed curve, this is made up of only by curves. This is made up by line segment, and this is made up by line segment and curve. The curve which crosses itself is not a simple closed curve. So these are the example of not the example of simple closed curve, as they cross itself. Polygon. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called a polygon. So this is a triangle made up of line segment. This is rectangle made up of line segment. The curves that are not polygon, these are not polygon, as they cross itself. They are made up of line segment, but they cross itself. This is also. So these are not the example of polygon. Now what is diagonal? A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So suppose this is a rectangle. It has four vertices P, Q, R, S. Now here PR and SQ are the diagonal, as they are connected by two non-consecutive vertices. You have to join alternate vertices to get the diagonal. Convex polygon. Now what is convex polygon? If each interior angle of a polygon is less than 180 degree, then it is called convex polygon. For example, in this figure, all angles are less than 180 degree. In this figure also, all angles are less than 180 degree. Now what is concave polygon? If in a polygon at least one angle is greater than 180, then it is called concave polygon. Now see in this figure, these three angles are less than 180 degree, but this angle is greater than 180 degree. So this is concave polygon. In this figure also, these are less than 180 degree, but this is greater than 180. Now what is a regular and irregular polygon? A regular polygon is both equiangular and equilateral. Equiangular means all angles are equal, and equilateral means all sides are equal. Equi means equal, angular means angle, means all angles are equal. Equi means equal, lateral means side, means all sides are equal. If in a polygon all angles are equal, all sides are equal, then it is called regular polygon. Otherwise it is irregular polygon. For example, in square, all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree, means all angles are equal and all sides are equal. So square is a regular polygon. In equilateral triangle also, all three sides are equal and all angles are measure of 60 degree, means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Now this is rectangle. In rectangle, all angles are of 90 degree, means all angles are equal, but opposite sides are equal. not all sides. So rectangle is not a regular polygon, it is irregular polygon. In pentagon also, see in this pentagon, all sides are equal, but these two angles are of 90 degree, and these three angles are less than 90 degree. So this is irregular pentagon. If it is mentioned there regular pentagon, it means all angles are equal and all sides are equal. Otherwise it is irregular. These are the example of irregular polygon. Now, what is angle sum property? In short form, you will write ASP. In a triangle, the sum of all internal angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Remember that. In quadrilateral, the sum of all internal angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Fine. So learn this definition